Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel by clicking the subscribe button below and clicking the bell icon to be notified whenever we publish a new video. Do you get sick of feeling bloated and uneasy after each meal? Do you frequently have indigestion or acid reflux? You are not alone after all. Every day millions of individuals experience stomach issues worldwide. But today we are going to demonstrate to you a quick and efficient method to put an end to such issues forever. All you need is a few simple ingredients and a blender. So let's get started. First, we are going to add a handful of fresh mint leaves. Mint is known to soothe the digestive system and help with indigestion. Next, we are going to add a simple pieces of ginger. Ginger has anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation in the stomach and intestines. Now we are going to add the juice of 1 lemon. Lemons are acidic, but 1 lemon ingested they become alkaline, which can help neutralize stomach acid. Finally, we are going to add some water to the blender and blend everything together. And there you have it, a simple and effective juice recipe that can help alleviate stomach problems. So the next time you are feeling bloated or uncomfortable after a meal, give this juice a try. Your stomach will thank you. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you have not already done. So thanks for watching and see you next time.